Hello friends, today we have received from Amazon doll bracket for mobile holding. It can hold two mobiles simultaneously. It is best for blogging, and if you review the mic quality or video quality of smartphones, so you can mount both smartphone in one bracket. It's act like mobile holding, and you can hold both mobile simultaneously. It's also helpful if you record video and simultaneously you live stream. So it's good if you fall in those category. So let's we tear the wrap and check the quality and what we received, what seller has sent us. So it's wrapped very heavily, and it's a multiple layer of wrap. It's very hard to cut those and unwrap. It's very heavy. It looks very heavy. So we face lots of struggle to unbox this item because it's wrapped in multiple layers of thin plastic. It's like very securely wrapped. However, the material is of metal and hard plastic, but I don't know why seller has wrapped this in so much with securely. You can see the metal stand is showing. Now I have mounted this on tripod. You can check that it looks beautiful, and you can mount one mobile here and one mobile here and use both at same time, one for recording and one for live stream or other purpose.